Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Garnold from Incredibox Sprunki. I used the cap of a bottle to draw the curve easily and quickly. You can try this method too, or you can even use a compass to draw the curved part. If you are good at freehand drawing, you can try that as well. Garnold is a golden sprunky, instantly recognizable by his sleek gold suit, black mouthpiece, and striking gold and black visor. Like his good friend Clucker, Garnold has a passion for building things, which led him to create FunBot and Mr. Fun Computer alongside Clucker. Interestingly, he shares a similar visor design with FunBot, a subtle detail that ties them together. Garnold's appearance draws heavy inspiration from Kick, a character from Incredibox V4, The Love, with some even suggesting he's based on the French musician Thomas Bangalter. Despite not being related, Garnold and Clucker share a deep friendship, both united by their creative endeavors. Along with Clucker and Owax, Garnold is one of the only characters without visible eyebrows, a unique trait that sets him apart. In his vector form, if you remove Garnold's visor, you'll find a regular face and eyes underneath, quite a contrast to FunBot, who has no face beneath his visor. His hobby for building, especially when it comes to fun and interactive creations, is central to his character. Garnold stands as the 8th character and the 3rd effect in the Incredibox mod, Sprunki, further cementing his place in the lineup of this unique and imaginative world. In his normal mode, Garnold's appearance is quite polished, with a body that gleams in a golden shade, adorned with precise black accents. His visor has a cyan bar that activates when he begins generating his signature synth sequence, which he creates with fluid head movements, adding an engaging element to his performance. Musically, Garnold uses a rich synth sound based on a 3x OSC synthesizer setup, which includes a combination of square and triangular waves, giving his sequence a unique, bouncy quality. His melody consists of a repeating sequence of notes, E4, G4, B4, D5, F5, D5, B4, G4, creating a smooth, melodic loop that enhances the rhythmic beat of his character's actions. Garnold's contribution to the Incredibox universe isn't just in the visual or auditory aspects, but also in the creative building of his friends' bots. His personality reflects that of a creator and builder, always focused on innovation and sharing his inventions with those around him. With his sleek design and rhythmic presence, Garnold adds a layer of complexity and elegance to the mod, making him a memorable character in the Sprunki lineup. I drew other characters from Sprunki, such as Wenda, Veneria, Mr. Tree, Durple, Gray, Ratty, Mr. FunBot, Brud, Owax, and many more. I have included clickable links at the top of the page and at the end of the video. You can check out those videos as well. Kindly leave a comment letting me know whether you liked this video or share your thoughts about it, it really helps. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.